All right, so let's talk about the lab real quick. So what we're going to have you do in the lab is we're going to have you make another from scratch app engine web app. This one's going to be called Weatherpics. Weatherpics, as you can see, is very similar to movie quotes. That's intentional. We want you to practice. And that your back end is going to have a model object, this time called a weatherpic. A weatherpic consists of two strings and a last touch date time. That sounds pretty familiar, right? So you should hopefully be reinforcing some of these skills that you're kind of getting hit with the fire hose on the first time. The only thing that's different about this one is what's displayed. Instead of displaying the two strings, we're displaying one string, and the other string is actually a URL of some image that exists on the web. So let's just go ahead and do an example. So let's say we were going to do a search for, I don't know, let's do rain's what I've been doing recently. So let's do a search for rain. So we're going to go out into the world and we're just going to find some rain. I'll get a clip art this time. So let's say I wanted to add this image. What I like to do is I like to go visit the page and I just copy that image URL. And then I come over here and I paste that image URL. So once I've got that URL, I can give it a name. So I'll say my clip art rain. All right, so if I hit submit, what that'll do is that will add that weatherpic, so those two strings, to my data store. It then refreshed the page, and you can see that my new image is right here. So instead of just giving you the string, it displays the image, which is way cooler. And then the text that I put is just displayed there. We'll go through in the lab kind of some of the CSS that you can see here and how to actually put that all together. It shouldn't be too bad. Hopefully the lab will kind of take you through the steps. So most of it is the same, and then the new parts are displaying the images and the CSS that goes along with it. We'll just give you the CSS kind of like we did this time, so you don't have to worry about that in putting this thing together. When you finish it up, you're going to have to submit your deployed Weatherpics URL. It should be able to do the same things that we did before, where we can add and then view the results. Note that we're not doing update or delete yet. We'll do those in a later one. So that's the lab for this time. Good luck.